Stop doing 1,000 crunches. They won't flatten your stomach. Here's what actually works. Belly fat isn't just about appearance. It's the most dangerous fat in your body, wrapping around your organs and increasing your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. But here's the good news, it's also the first fat your body burns when you do things right. The truth about belly fat: you cannot spot reduce fat. No amount of sit-ups will melt belly fat if your overall body fat percentage is high. Your body decides where it stores and burns fat, and for most people, belly fat comes off last. So what's the solution? A three-part approach that actually works. Part 1. Create a calorie deficit. Weight loss happens when you burn more calories than you consume. No magic pill or special exercise changes this. Start by tracking your food for 1 week. You'll be shocked at how many hidden calories you're eating. Cut out liquid calories first. Soda, juice, fancy coffee drinks, they add hundreds of calories without making you feel full. Replace them with water, black coffee, or tea. Part 2. Prioritize protein and fiber. Protein keeps you full and preserves muscle while you lose fat. Aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight. Chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and legumes are your best friends. Fiber slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Vegetables, fruits, oats, and beans should fill half your plate at every meal. This combination crushes hunger and prevents the energy crashes that lead to binge eating. Part 3. Strategic exercise. Cardio burns calories, but strength training is your secret weapon. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat does. Build muscle, boost your metabolism. Do compound movements: squats, deadlifts, push-ups, rows. These work multiple muscle groups and burn the most calories. Add 3 to 4 sessions of moderate cardio per week. Walking, cycling, swimming, pick what you'll actually stick with. The hidden factors: sleep deprivation increases cortisol, the stress hormone that promotes belly fat storage. Get 7 to 9 hours every night. Chronic stress does the same thing. Find healthy outlets: meditation, journaling, time in nature. Your belly fat might be a stress problem, not just a food problem. The timeline: be patient. Healthy fat loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week. Losing belly fat takes time because it's often the last to go. You might notice changes in your face, arms, and legs first. Trust the process. Take progress photos every 2 weeks. The mirror doesn't lie, but it also doesn't show daily changes. Photos reveal what you can't see. Losing belly fat isn't complicated, but it requires consistency. Eat in a calorie deficit, prioritize protein and fiber, lift weights, do some cardio, sleep well, and manage stress. No gimmicks. No shortcuts. Just proven science applied daily. Your future self will thank you.